Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, here at PRI, we continue on with our track through performance. The fast people are on board here, and we're proud to have them. They've got so many new gadgets. It's unbelievable. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Now, I understand you have a brand new ignition system. And, of course, I've got an earlier car. You can cover my needs for that.
Absolutely. The XFI is a great unit to be used with any carbureted engine you're wanting to convert to fuel injection. The XFI is our standalone management unit that will handle all the spark and the fuel control. The XIM is a new module that will open up to any distributor's applications, such as the Ford modular engines, the Gen 3 and Gen 4 GM engines, the LS2, LS7, LS1, as well as the new Hemi engines that are really hot now.
Yeah. And by the way, all of this particular product's all plugged together very simply. It's not an engineering task. It's all put together in paperwork and so on when you buy it. And you have a lot of dealers around the country, and we know that they'll be glad to help them out. Now, say for instance, I'm going to modify my car with a little, maybe a blower, camshaft, or what have you. Will this ignition system, again, contain enough information in it to pick up that power?
Absolutely. The beauty of the XFI is A, its user friendliness, and B, the flexibility of the unit. You can take a naturally aspirated engine and convert to a supercharged, turbocharged, or a blown engine, and the only part you would have to change mechanically would be the map sensor. The rest of the conversion would be a simple matter of reconfiguring your tune-up in the software, and you're back on the road again with no problem.
Well, that's what we like to hear, because a lot of people kind of like to stay away from expensive. Now, I've got all this in my car. I might not know what it's doing. Do you have any kind of readout system that could help me?
Absolutely. There's a dashboard feature in our software that allows you to view in real time or log and view at a later time all the engine functions, everything that's going on with the engine. Everything from the throttle position, RPM, coolant temperature, the timing features, and that's very valuable for either looking for improvements in your tune-up or tracking down a minor problem you might have.
So many of the new engines, of course, come with some wild technology, but they do a lot of restricting. They're scared you might run the motor a little hard. I see we've stepped up with some intake manifolds, and fuel systems looks pretty hot.
Absolutely. The product we're most excited about right now is our new 3-valve Ford intake manifold that's designed to be used with the 05-06 Mustang 3-valve engine. It's a brand new piece. We just got the first prototype, and right now we've done some fitment testing and some initial dyno testing that shows some real promising numbers. Nothing we're ready to release yet, but this thing is going to be hot, and we expect to release it mid-07.
Well, you can't blame the car companies for just making sure you don't blow up their hot rods, but that looks like I'm going to make some serious horsepower.
Absolutely. We're looking for some really big gains, and the initial testing has not disappointed us.
And I won't need a master engineer to put it on either, I believe.
It's going to be a direct bolt-on replacement, and with some minor port matching, it'll actually fit on a 2-valve engine.
Well, here on Power TV, we've got all the questions. Fast has got all the answers. And again, Hazley Hood, bringing it to you from PRI 2006.